Yeah. See, in this question, we have to calculate potential across P and Q. As we can see that there is no direct connection. We'll move from P to A to B, B to Q. VPA plus VAB plus VBQ. You are moving from P to A, so current should also move from P to A. You are moving from B to Q, so current should also move from B to Q. So that would be minus 3I1 plus 5 because we have to take the second sign. Okay, then minus 2I2. For this, we need to calculate I1 and I2. We can calculate it through KVL. That would be plus 2 minus 3I1 minus 5I1 is equal to 0. For second equation, minus 10 minus 3I2 minus 2I2 is equal to 0. Okay, we can solve it and then substitute the value here. From this, we'll get the value of VPQ. Okay, got it?